Hi children, I'm Pratyusha. Today I'm going to tell you how to attempt a quiz. I'll send you a quiz link. Click on that. Then a page will be opened. Yeah, on the top you can see the title of the quiz. I have given the title as Plants Quiz by Pratyusha Line. This is the title. First you have to enter your name. Here I'm going to type my name. Then enter roll number. I'm going to enter the roll number as 1. Then you can start attempting the questions. First question, which part of the plant lies under the ground? Three options are given: stem, branches, roots. You have to select the right option. Here randomly I am selecting the options. I am choosing the first option for all the questions. I have selected the first option. Second question, I am going to select the option. Third question, fourth question, fifth question, sixth question, seventh question, eighth question, ninth question, and 10th question. After selecting all the right options for all the questions, you have to click on submit. In this quiz, I have given only 10 questions. So after attempting all these questions, you have to click on submit. Then your answers will be submitted. Immediately you can see the result of the test. To see your score, click on view score. Yeah, I have got 3 out of 10. Your name and your roll number will be displayed. And if you want to know where you have committed mistake, drag down, all the questions answers will be provided. In this way you can check where you have committed the mistake. That's all for today children. Thank you.